Hello friends, this is Lisa with Lisa Lee Designs. In today's video, I'm sharing my closet nightmare makeover. I meant to say makeover. If you have a closet that is overwhelming and unorganized, then you're in the right space. Today I'm using Everbilt shelving from Home Depot, and it was pretty easy to install, minus a huge mistake made by me. More about that later. Let's get into it. This closet used to hold our hot water heater. When we renovated this space, we put a tankless heater in the attic. So it's been unfinished for a while and holds an assortment of my holiday decor, as well as different props I use for staging my furniture pieces. As you can imagine, it has ended up as a catch-all for everything. I was finally tired of things falling on me, so I made this my next project. If you haven't already, I want to take a moment to ask you to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, or even comment below. Even if you hate what I'm doing but you've watched this far, a comment is always helpful for the algorithm. I originally wanted the shelving to be a solid surface, but quickly realized that I had purchased the wrong size brackets for the shelves. So off again I went to Home Depot and perused my options. I then realized I would lose a lot of storage space if I went with Everbilt's standard solid shelving, so I opted for their wire shelving, which is a whopping 20 inches in depth. Home Depot doesn't cut the wire shelving to your exact measurements, so they recommended that I buy some bolt cutters, which were almost too hard for Mr. Lee to use. So get some cutters with very long handles for more leverage. Ours were 14 inches and I could have used longer. Everbilt also makes the tracks and the racks that make this setup adjustable. And who doesn't love adjustable anything? For storage, I went with these black plastic tubs and stacking bamboo lids from Brightroom at Target. I will list all the products used with pictures at the end of the video. I also have a ton of trays I've collected. I love the big ones. They make great bases for decorating and creating vignettes. I have wood ones, shell, metal, well, you get the picture. A tray for every season, LOL. I also installed some hooks from 3M for hanging my Christmas garland and other various holiday wreaths I have. I find hanging them instead of packing them away in a box helps to keep them from getting crushed. And I just forgot to pack away this Christmas garland last year. So what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome, and I'm so happy I'll be able to pull out holiday decorations without an avalanche of stuff falling to the floor.